monster. What are you making? What are you making? You making me one?
No.
What?
Cause you did.
Why don't I get one?
Piss off. Piss. Go away, Mitchell. Go away.
By book monster. I'm away. Woo. What was that? This is a weapon. Threw that at me. Holy crap. He just threw a pen at me. Look at my dog. Hello, dog. Does it smell good?
It smells good.
I think he's scared of it. Scared of it.
Well, remember you can't see very well, actually.
Bye, dog. He just stared at me. He's like, what the heck?
Are you famous?
I want a dishwasher. Or the tomato. Tomato? Tomato, no. There's markers. I hate markers.
Oh, where's Oscar gone? Oh, there's Oscar. Oh, I see him.
Trace me. Oh, I dodged it. What is it? I don't know what it is. I'll leave if I know what it is. I didn't see it. I can't see it. Look. I can see like a bit of it. So what is it? I have no clue that is. You should be Book Monster. Book Monster.
I'll break it.
Not with the finger to people.
I'll break it.
Why?
Because you won't get that thing out of my face.
It isn't in your face.
It is now!
There's a broken dishwasher. Your fault.
Go away!
Bye, Book Monster.
Mitchell, are you being annoying with that thing?
Yes.
Mitchell,
No.
I have no problem putting it away for a while.
Why?
Well, if you're getting started annoying with it,
Bye.
go